Welcome back to another Micmac Tabletop review. Today we'll be taking a brief look at Spee-D-Loaders for tube-fed 22 rimfire rifles. As you know, I typically review firearms, but occasionally I'll come across a product or accessory that I think really works well and deserves mentioning. This month I've chosen several makes of Spee-D-Loaders for tube-fed 22 rimfire rifles. I haven't chosen just one because they all work pretty well, although they are all a little different in design. I should also say up front that I have no sponsors for my videos, and no one has given me any products to promote for this video. Now, if you own a tube-fed 22 rifle, you may already have one of these, but if this is your first look at a Spee-D-Loader for a tube-fed 22 rifle, I think you're really going to like this episode. But before we go any further, let's make sure this rifle is cleared, and let me assure you that all the firearms in this video have been cleared. And by the way, if you enjoy this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. You know, my very first firearm experience as a kid was with a friend's tube-fed 22 rifle, but mostly I've had magazine-fed 22 rifles all my life, like this Ruger 10-22. I even have this nifty Shooter's Ridge magazine loader that makes loading the 10-22's magazine fairly quick and easy. I've had it for many years and it works very well. Neat little gizmo. You can still get one of these for about 50 bucks. Sounds pricey, I know, but I think they're well worth the cost. With this unit, you can quickly sort and position rounds and load any of the 10-22 magazines. In fact, it's one of the reasons that I've always leaned toward the Ruger 10-22 models. So I'll admit that tube feeding 22 ammo into a tube-fed rifle isn't something I've given much thought about. That is until last year when I picked up this stainless steel tube-fed Marlin Model 60-22. Very nice rifle. After a couple of visits to the range with my family, I began to see the limitations of a tube-fed rifle. Even under the best of conditions, it would take me a good half minute to reload, usually longer. Seemed to me that there had to be a better way than individually popping 22 bullets down the loading tube one at a time to load the rifle. And it turned out that there was indeed. Amazon and Bronsnell had these 22 rifle tube feeding solutions, and that's what we're going to talk about today. In brief, what we have here are 22 Rimfire speed loading tubes. There are several brands and types, but they are all just long plastic tubes into which you preload your rounds, and when needed, you then empty the tube into the rifle's loading tube. Simple and effective. We have two basic formats here, an individual tube type option like these Ludex and Wilbur models, and then we have this multiple tube unit. This is the Spee-D-Loader, which, as you can see, has 8 individual tubes that can be selected one at a time for multiple reloads from the unit. The idea is to preload the tubes with the rifle's loading capacity of rounds. Different lengths of tubes are available to fit different capacity needs. For example, this Ludex model comes in capacity to carry 10, 15, or 18 rounds of 22 long rifle bullets, and the purchase of 5-pack or 10-pack of tubes are available. So here's how they work. These individual tubes here have round nose covers that retain the rounds in the tubes. Load up the tube with however many rounds your rifle takes and return the cover to the tube. When needed, you remove the cover and dump the rounds into the rifle's loading tube. If your model is a front loader like this Marlin Model 60, the 14 rounds it will take will be facing out from the receiver. If loading a rear tube loader like this Winchester 74, the 14 rounds it will take will be facing in toward the receiver. Note that I've put a mark on the tubes for 14 22 long rifle rounds, so I know when I'm at maximum. This Spee-D-Loader unit basically works the same way, except you have multiple tubes. You just turn the unit here to preload the individual tubes with the proper number of rounds, facing the proper direction for your rifle. When you want to reload, you just turn the top here to reveal an opening for the tube you want, and using the loading guide, dump the tube of rounds through the rifle's loading tube. Just make sure you position the tube so that the loading port is facing up before you pour the bullets in. That's pretty much it. A simple but effective solution to loading the tube-fed rifles. Now, before we end today's video, I'd like to remind you, if you haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below. And thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. So there you are, a solution for speed loading a tube-fed .22 rifle. Wrapping up, I should also mention that at least according to the marketing on these speed loaders, you should be able to load a rifle 7 times faster with one of these speed loaders. The tubes also make a pretty good bullet holder, and these tube loaders will work with all 22 or 17 ammo, including 22 short, 22 long, 22 mag, and 22 long rifle. And because the tubes are transparent, you can easily see the bullet count and orientation inside the tube, minimizing any chance of errors or misalignment. Whether you choose one of the individual 2 speed loading products or the multi-tube Spee-D-Loader, I think you'll be pleased. They all work as expected, and I think they're priced right for what you get. Good, inexpensive products providing a good solution. Now, like I said earlier, I really do hope that you found this review useful, and remember, any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.